Here, not just the son, but if I say grandson of that great family. Also here in another capacity, which is representing the federal government of Nigeria, to celebrate a true Nigerian nationalist and icon who for many years has shown that there is value in consistency and value in sound principles.
Great man is someone that we respect much, and he have done a lot for the freedom of this country. I pray that God will give him more life so that we can enjoy his wisdom and charisma. His existence gives us confidence to liberate this country for the shackle of oppressors.
At 90, he's still going strong. I don't know how he's making it, but we pray that God will give him long life to carry on the good work which has been done for this country.
Chief Adebanjo is predictable because he will always stand for what is right and for what he believes is consistent with the progressive ideology.
Papa as a dad is a fantastic figure to aspire to as a young man, knowing fully well that the standards he set are perhaps too much in a lifetime to achieve.
Do I start with the bad news or the good news? The bad news is pé ó unfortunate pé wọn ò lè ever pẹ́ láyé wọn bí 90 years again. Not only that, ẹ má bínú ẹ má sọ ohun tí bá rí torí pé mi máa ń lálà. Bàbá ò lè lò ju another 30 years lọ mọ́. So bàbá Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí 30 years tó kù fún yín kó kún fún ìdùnnú àtayọ̀ àti ẹ̀mí gígùn. Àwọn èèyàn ṣàmì o.
Please count with me because we all want to grow old and be 90 like Papa. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 87, 89, 90.
Let's rise, ladies and gentlemen, to do the happy birthday for him. Let's be on our feet. We have to sing.